was just, these are all definitely Bluetick babies. Getting lots and lots of color on them. So this one was a little baby boy. Look at the interesting mark on the back of his head. And this little one is a baby girl. Little tiny girl. This is a baby boy. This is a fatty baby boy. So there's two baby boys. Excuse me, mommy. There's a baby girl. A little dot on the back of her head. I can't reach. And that's a girl. That little fat one, that's a girl. Yeah, that is. Okay, so I need to... there's this last little boy right here. Hey, chubby baby. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Wow. Those are some seriously chubby little babies. Pumpernickels, you are feeding those babies right up. You are such a good girl. You're such a good... She says, I know I'm a pretty good mom, aren't I? They're so cute. Yeah, they are.